Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and pay a Craigslist posting fee. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Craigslist website right here, craigslist.org. If you have not already, from here on this main page, you can get started signing up for an account. To be able to pay fees to post an ad, you're going to sign up to an account in the upper right corner if you do not already have one. If you have one, just go and log in normally. So after logging in, this is how your account settings are going to look like, and now we can get started posting an ad. As you can see right here in the upper left corner, we have an option to post an ad. You can select the location that you want and what you are going ahead and selling. So here you can go and take a look at what you need to pay fees for. So basically guys, some categories require you to pay fees to post on them. As you can see, some fees are only for certain categories. If you're making job postings, it's $10 to $75. Apartments for sale are also costing for a fee, and so on. If you're selling something by dealer, owner, cars, trucks, motorcycles, and so on, you are going to have fees for posting those items on sale. So as you can see, they are going to go ahead and be available at the end of the information. Once you go ahead and get started making a post, this is a one-time charge and it's going to appear once you have gotten to the last page of the post. So let's say you want to go ahead and select the location right here, and if a job is offered, once you go and fill it out, as you can see here, you can see the categories, it's $45 each, so keep that in mind. You're going to have to pay that, and that's how it's done at the end of the posting. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.